keep it there. You're welcome. You're still live here on Prime Morning. I'm Sheila Sechi, and we're moving to another interesting conversation now. Have you thought of the craziest service you can find on an app? I'm talking about a one-stop place for everything you need. What app comes to mind? Of course, it's Ayuda App. Serve back. What can I say? App services And I have three beautiful ladies here joining me. We're going to discuss Ayuda. She goes by the name
Bernadette,
and Martha, and I have
Veronica.
They are not innocent, by the way. Don't let these pretty faces fool you. Don't let these pretty faces fool you, because I have history with them, but we'll keep that on the low for now. How are you doing, ladies?
I'm so good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. I'm good, like a good girl. Anyway, it's good to have you in studio. Now, before we started the conversation, I wanted to know, what's the craziest app or service on the app?
Well, if you want a masseur, you'll find it on the app. I mean, that should be crazy enough.
Wow. Listen, there is that one place, and what makes Ayuda exciting is that it's just on your phone. Just go, whatever service you're looking for, you get it. But for someone watching us for the first time, hearing about Ayuda for the first time, can you tell us what Ayuda is about? Bernadette, you first.
First of all, good morning to the audience out watching at home. So Ayuda is a mobile app that has been designed for business owners, homeowners, real estate developers, facility managers, to connect them with skilled workers and professionals. So if you're a homeowner and then you're looking for the services of a carpenter, a plumber, a mason, an electrician, there's no other place to look than the Ayuda app. And in recent times, we've seen that when people need certain services, what they'll do is to take their phones, go to Google, TikTok, and then search for just a random person to come into their homes. I mean, you don't know where this person is. It's very dangerous. You don't know where this person is from. And if they do something wrong or something goes wrong, you can't call an entire Google organization that I took someone's number from your platform, so help me out. But with Ayuda, it's different.
And your service providers are monitored, I'm sure.
Very monitored. Right from the time the work starts to it ends, there are people at the back end that are tracing everything. So for you, the customer, you know why the person is coming, who is coming, and then what exactly they are coming to do.
Oh, that's safe. That's safety. Now tell me, Martha, if someone is watching and thinking, okay, app back or services Bibri, what can I find? I think we've mentioned a few, but what really can we find on the app?
So on the Ayuda app, we have multiple services on the app. So from cleaning, fumigation, painting, even when you need a domestic help, you can get it on the Ayuda app. We do security services, air condition repair, electronic appliance, and many more. So it's app back or services, services at all. You get it on the app.
So then why should someone patronize us? I mean, why should someone want to go to the app on the daily and ask or seek for these services? Veronica?
Of course, as everyday people, there will always be a problem. And your car does not warn you before it breaks down.
That's true. That's true.
You don't know when your tap will start leaking. You don't know when you have to repair an equipment in your home. So it's better and it's safer that you know where to go to once you have an emergency. And with the Ayuda app, you are convinced that you can find several services on just one app. And you know the people you find there, they are competent, they are professional, they are there to deliver.
You see, we're talking about this so enticingly. And usually, and you know, Ghanaians, we are price sensitive.
Of course.
And
that's true.
That's true. I mean, last Saturday, what we saw, the queue at a certain restaurant. So, we are quite price sensitive, and we're excited when prices are low. And someone might be thinking, hey, it's an app, services be brave also. Wouldn't it be too expensive for simple pockets?
Not at all. So Ayuda is all about giving customers access to convenient service and also options. So depending on the type of service you are requesting for and how it is requested, the customers can evaluate the available options, which is the Ayuda Premium, where we have fixed prices, fixed average prices, which cast across the service industry.
Yeah.
And we also have the Ayuda Flex, where customers make a request and they get multiple responses from service providers, so they can negotiate prices with them for competitive prices.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah,
so
Okay, so if I, for instance, I want to say a plumber, right? I can call a plumber and say, oh, offer, please, my tap is not flowing.
Exactly.
I need you to fix it. He mentions a price. Let's say he mentions 1,000 cedis.
Yeah.
I can negotiate on phone with this person and say, oh, you know what, can you, slow down on the price? Or if not, then I can move to another plumber on the app.
On the app, exactly.
And for record's sake, we mostly encourage our customers to do every conversation on the app. We have an in-app chat.
Oh,
for
that's
record's
great.
sake.
For
So if
records.
anything, we can track and chew the conversation. On
Oh, I love how precise this is. You know, how it would really help people, with safety. Then I know that one place I'm going to, my home is safe. The people walking in is safe. Well, that's exciting. That's quite.
And it's not even just one person. There are numerous people. So if your budgeted amount is 1,000 cedis, people are competing for your 1,000 cedis. So someone will offer to take 950. Another person might say 800. Just so you know that you have a lot of options. You don't just have to pay that.
This is truly exciting.
Yes.
All right, let's talk about technicalities. I mean, we're running on an app.
Yeah.
And so there is that, deficiency of error.
Exactly.
If you are my grandma who doesn't really trust technology, and I'm thinking, can I really rely on Ayuda? Can I really rely on Ayuda? I mean, what if something goes wrong? But what do I do?
Okay, so one advantage of working with a platform is that there is a structured channels through which issues can be reported for investigation purposes and also appropriate address based on the circumstance. So at Ayuda, we don't encourage our customers to simply remain silent when something goes wrong. Our customers can raise a complaint on the app or through the app, or also contact our customer care department on our numbers. We have a support numbers on the app. Or we can also give out our lines for them to contact us. Our customer care department is available 24/7 to us.
And it's actually very good because somewhere else on social media, who are you going to call? But with us, you know that there's a whole team.
Wow.
Because we also know that things can go wrong. We are working with people. Definitely things will happen. So we are waiting for you to tell us what went wrong so that we can assist you.
And improve on your services as well.
Exactly, and improve on our services as well. But if you take numbers from elsewhere, who are you going to call? The person will just make away with your money and then you'll be left there stranded. But with us, we are helping you, trying to resolve the issue and then make our services better to you as well.
Well, this is exciting. Now let's talk about Republic Bank Habitat Fair. We are representing. Yay, we're excited. Listen, I remember she's rolling her eyes.
Oh God.
She's rolling her eyes. Baby girl, I will be there.
Oh my God.
I will be there. I will come to you and I'll come to Jessica.
Oh yes,
I will be there. Yes. Guys, we have history there. I'll let you in on the story in a bit. But let's talk about the Habitat Fair, Republic Bank Habitat Fair. We are representing. What should people expect when they walk into your stands?
Okay, so we know that Habitat Fair connects business owners, homeowners, facility management, and then financial institutions as well. And for us, I mean, with the previous years, it was very impactful to us. We were able to meet the kind of market audience that we wanted. So for this particular year, we are expecting to do more. We want to demonstrate how the app works to them and how convenient it can be to them in their day-to-day activities, because owning a property is one thing and maintaining it as well is a different whole story. And at Ayuda, we prioritize that a lot. So yeah, we are eager to meet them. So
all right, now I know that because you work from the back room, are you able to also assure some discounts? I don't know how the app works.
Well, this time around we'll give discounts. It's something that we are hiding as a surprise.
Please.
Like for the people
Surprise us. But listen, one thing about Ayuda ladies is that when you walk into their stand, the customer service is top notch.
Oh, clock it. Clock it.
You will sincerely, you will feel at home, you feel, you know, the greeting, the embrace is quite, and so kudos to you guys. You're doing well. That's why they put beautiful ladies on our screen this morning, giving us pretty smiles. We are buying it. Anyway, so if someone is watching and thinking, okay, when I come to the Republic Bank Habitat Fair, I'm going to walk straight into your stand. I'm going to be refreshed by your beautiful smiles. What one message do you have for Ghanaians? I'll go with you, Veronica.
Okay. So it's quite simple. Everyone is leveraging on technology to make their life easier and better. So why would you be left out?
Why?
So we
Why?
we encourage everyone to try Ayuda app and judge us based on your experience.
Hey, we're giving you the opportunity to judge us.
Yes.
Wow.
Because we are teachable.
Yes.
Oh, I love that. We are meek. We're humble. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah.
We prioritize your needs.
Yeah.
One of our core values is that we are customer-centric.
Yeah.
And so it matters to us that you have consent, you are able to reach out to us, and you are open with us as much as we are also open with you. Yeah.
All right, ladies, now before...
Right, we chiguho.
Hey, I love that. That if you don't try the Ayuda app, my God. Anyway, we have to end this conversation, or else I'm sure we'll pick up so many. But thank you, ladies, for coming through. And we will be at the Habitat Fair, which is happening on the 21st of August to Sunday, 23rd of August. It's at the Achimota Mall from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day. Home ownership is a lifetime of investment. So do well to be there at the Achimota Mall on the 21st of August to 23rd. And of course, meet these beautiful ladies. And they'll let you in on all of what Ayuda is about. Now, before we go, do you have any final message for our viewers? Veronica, you've already spoken, so I'll start with you, Martha. Let's Martha go and then...
Okay, so my final message to everyone watching us this morning is Ayuda, at Ayuda, we just don't give you the numbers and wish you good luck. Yes, we see to our customer satisfaction is one of the most important things we understand at Ayuda. So we track your request, we make sure the customer is satisfied before, and our relationship with our customers don't end when we assign a service provider to your request. We see to it that the request or the service is carried out to your satisfaction. So if you need a reliable app, just check Ayuda app.
Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All right.
Yes, and I think we've been talking about the customers, but our service providers are equally important because they're asking, how will this even benefit me? It will benefit you because on the Ayuda app, you are open to a lot of customers. I mean, in this country, the service providers don't lack the skill. It's the access that they lack. And Ayuda gives you that visibility. So please come in your numbers and let's show you how to have more income.
I love that. I love that. And so do come at the Achimota Mall on the 21st to 23rd of August. And it's the Republic Bank JoyNews Habitat Fair. Meet these beautiful ladies, get to know more about home ownership, and of course get to know more about Ayuda app. Bako services. We'll be right back on Prime Morning.